Hey guys! So for today's video, we're going to make slime out of hair gel. So ingredients you'll need is some type of hair gel, and something to mix with, and something to mix with. I have a bobby pin to mix with, and something to mix on. And then you'll need some type of Elmer's glue. And this is the only trick that I found out without borax and stuff that works. So make sure it's really a gooey gel, and you can put as much gel as you want for how much slime as you want. And then you're just going to stir the gel, and make sure it's gooey, gooey, gooey. Okay. This is pretty darn thick. That's what you want. You don't want it too sticky, because you're going to play with it in your hands, you know. Okay, so can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Okay, sorry. It's pretty darn thick. Okay. Okay, so then you can add some of the glue. Just a little bit though. You don't want a lot. I was trying it with like shampoos and conditioners and stuff. Never worked. But this right here works amazing. Okay, so I put a little too much glue, and that's what you do not want, because then it'll start coming apart. So add more gel. Alright. Now this is time where you can add food coloring. So I'll get back when I go grab it. Hold on. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of blue. Just a little bit. Not a lot. Okay, can you guys see? Hopefully you guys can. It's going to be hard to mix with. You just want to mix it really well. You can make this even darker if you want. I was just making sure that it would mix well without messing up it. So this works really well. So cool, guys. Best slime ever. And you can add as much as gel as you want to make the best consistency that you want. So I got a lot of it right now. You can tell. Make sure this is fully stirred. So look at the sides, and some of it will be clear still. That means you want to mix it. Oh. You see, it's not that sticky. This was not a holy fail, it was a holy grail. Just add, oh my gosh, I'm getting bubbles. Okay, just add about that much glue. Works so well. So then you can just start picking it up like this. You can container it with whatever you want, but it is sticky. That's when you have to start kneading it with your 4 fingers, or as much fingers as you want to knead it with. This is a funny feeling too. This is so cool, guys. Now, this is not safe for little kids, though, unless you want to use the borax with it. But if you're 9, 8, 10, and it's safe because you know what's in it and you're making it. So yeah, this is amazing. Sorry for my voice. I have a very bad congestion going on right now. Let me pick you guys up real quick without messing you guys up. But isn't this amazing? Whew. But this is so fun to play with, and it does get thicker and thicker when you knead it. If you guys don't know what knead is, like where you like mix it with your fingers. Who likes to make foam? Because I know I do. I've never made it, so I really want to make it though. Oh, I'm making a mess. It keeps slipping away from me. The gel's getting harder. Ah! Look at all. I thought it like fell on the surface that I'm on. Mom, it'll kill me. But it's just so fun to play with. You guys need to try it out. Tell me if you like this video or not. So give me a thumbs up if you like it. And here's my face today. You guys can't really see it. So yeah, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Alright.